What's up YouTube, how you guys doing? My name is Joe. Welcome back to the channel. Today I want to be talking to you guys about battery jumpers. If you guys don't already have one, definitely check this brand out. I just received the package literally about 10 minutes ago. This is the Genius Boost Pro. This is the GB150. Let me go ahead and pop this open and I'm gonna show you guys what's inside. Okay, so let me go ahead and take this out of the box, show you guys. Alrighty, so this is the GB150. This is the top of the line, basically the best money can get. I bought it for about $200 and I believe $50, $250 free shipping. I got it off eBay. If you guys want the link, I'll post it up down below. This thing is brand new condition. Let me go ahead and take this out of the box and show you guys. Trying to do this as best as I can with one hand filming and one hand unboxing. Alright, so we got it out of the box. Go ahead and show you guys. Boom, there we are. So it does say fully charged before use. It does come with a charging cable. Pretty neat little package. It fits inside your trunk. It's a pretty big battery, but honestly, this thing, you charge it once, it will last you about 80 car jumps, I would say. I believe that's what it advertised. 10 liters or plus gas and diesel. Let me go ahead and flip it to the side. So it does come with the 500 lumen ultra bright light LED flashlight with 7 modes. It does have the voltmeter on it, 3 times more powered for the fraction of the size. Your regular battery jumper should have about 7,000 joules. This one does have 22,500, so this is the way to go, guys. And it's only, it says it's about 7.5 pounds, but keep it in your car, keep it at home. Like I said, 80 times jump per charge. You can also charge your phone. It has a couple of ports on it. It's pretty cool, pretty cool. You guys should definitely check it out. I'll send you the links. Let me go ahead and plug this in to charge so it can be ready to use for tomorrow. So inside this little box, they'll give you a little pouch so you can put the battery jumper. They will also give you the instructions, the warranties. This is going to be the charging cable. You can also charge it in your car. I would definitely recommend charging it at home at night before you head off anywhere, or just kind of charge at night, overnight, and by the time in the morning when you wake up, everything should be ready to go. All right, so there's going to be an out port and there's going to be in port. Out port is whatever you guys want to charge. In port is obviously you guys are going to want to charge in there. That left one is for the car charger. The right one's going to be for to charge at home. Make sure you guys check your wires because there's a certain direction it has to go in. And once you plug it in, this light should come up and it should start charging. Right now it's only on 25%, but we're gonna let it charge all day, all night, and then we're gonna get it ready for tomorrow's auction. Alrighty guys, so this is my Lexus ISF. This is a 5.0 liter V8. We're gonna go ahead and disconnect the terminals from the battery. We're gonna hook up our portable jumper and we're gonna see if it will start the engine. So we're gonna go ahead and loosen it, connect that bad boy. Try to do this with one hand while filming. And then you're gonna go ahead and take this and connect it to this, right? Fully disconnected from the battery. The jumper is on and it should start. And my girlfriend's in the car. She's gonna go ahead and start it up. There we go. And it also has a voltage meter to let you know what's the voltage that's currently on the car. Alright, thank you guys for watching the video. I hope you guys like it. If you guys do, go ahead and press that subscribe. It'll help me out a lot, and I'll continue making these videos for you guys. Peace out.